everyone? Welcome back to Natural Sally by Muscle Bunny, aka Shelby. You know, I go by Muscle Bunny, so then I say Shelby. But anyways, I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute, and I told y'all I was gonna put out more videos, so here we go. So this video is going to be about this here. Y'all see it. So I have a rehearsal in Charlotte, and I can't go my hair like this. So I'm going to do a wash and go, and I'm going to let y'all see my wash and go routine. So yeah, here we go. Alright y'all, so I am back out of the shower. So this is what my hair is looking like. So I did shampoo my hair with this. Normally I would deep condition my hair, but I don't got nothing to deep condition it with. So yeah, I shampoo with this, and I'm about to go in with this detangling hydration conditioner, and I'm gonna like just detangle my hair, and I'm gonna wash this out my hair. So god dang, this thing is thick. Yeah, I haven't used this conditioner in like months, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply this and then, you know, detangle, and then let y'all watch me do this process, and then I'm gonna rinse this out, and then we're gonna get into this wash and go. I mean, some people are like, girl, your curls already popping. No, we need them popping more than this, okay? For a wash and go, because this is gonna be that would be a frizzy wash and go. And when I mention my rehearsals, I will put a link in the description box. It's called the Carolina Classic. On September 26th, it's going to be here in Columbia, South Carolina. So if you want to have a good time, all that jazz, come see your girl. Come to the fashion show. Come support your girl. Come support your people. Come support. Just come support. I know I'm not even looking in the camera because I'm looking in my mirror, which is over here, and then the camera is over here, so I'm just doing this. But yeah, I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna like finger detangle. I know a lot of people, they say like when they go natural, they're like afraid to go natural because like it's a lot of shedding. I mean, you had your hair literally put up for 3 to 4 weeks, and you're thinking there's not going to be any dead hair in there. It's going to be dead hair. When I washed my hair, I had like a little bit of puff balls, or BB beads, or naps, what people call them. But yeah, I plan on getting this blowed out on my birthday, so we can really see what I'm working with. But I haven't had any, per se, heat like that since February. So since the last video, I haven't had no heat on my hair. So, because we don't do heat over here. Like when I do my wash and goes, I literally let them like air dry. And I know some of y'all probably like, she's only like detangling the bottom. You gotta go through your hair, start from the bottom, and then work your way up, because you don't want to pull out my hair. And I got these long Wolverine nails, so yeah, this is the comb. This is the comb. Alright, y'all. So the last clip y'all seen, I did finish my hair, and this is like 3 days later, and this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put a picture of what it actually looked like when I was finished, but I didn't close the video out because I ran out of memory space. So there's the finished product. Here's what it's looking like now, and I guess I'm going to keep the video going with like a refresher of a wash and go. So just keep watching and see how I got this to look like something, because right now it don't look like that. It looks like a big afro on top of my head. So yeah.
But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this.
Alright, y'all, and that is how we do that. If y'all hear water in the background, don't mind that. There's somebody using the dang on bathroom. I'm not a pro at baby hairs or edges and none of that, so I just put the black edge control like just like right up in here, just so this side can be slicked down, so all the hair can be over here.
You might want to start it over.
Get out the way! I'm not starting nothing over. Move! They ain't coming to see you, Otis. It's not as defined as the other wash and go. The one earlier. The picture I'm going to show y'all. But I didn't add no more gel because if y'all know anything about natural hair, a lot of gel pretty much like, you can't put like moisture back into it. So I just used the leave-in conditioner, the cream. I put some oil on my scalp, and I used the edge control, and that was pretty much it. Because the goal is just to refresh the wash and go so it didn't look like what it had looked like. Like, I'd rather this poofy looking, afro looking wash and go than what I had on top of my hair earlier. I do not have a sponsorship through those products, but it would be great if I can get a sponsorship because I'll be excited. I'll be glad to use the product every single day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And Muscle Bunny is out. And that is my wash and go / refresher video. Y'all have a great day.